break me in one moment. You erased me slowly enough that I mistook it for time. At some point I stopped asking to be loved. I only wanted the pain to pause, and that terrified me. I became the shape of absence, a shadow learning how to breathe. I became the silence in the room, waiting to be seen, waiting to exist. Waiting to exist. There is a strange grief in surviving someone who never truly saw you. You begin to wonder whether love was only projection, whether you were loved or simply useful. Sometimes I still hear your voice correcting my reality, and even now part of me asks, what if they were right? I became the shape of absence, a ghost behind my own eyes. I became a question without language, standing in the mirror, trying to remember my name. Philosophers speak about identity as if it is permanent. But identity is fragile. It bends beneath repetition, beneath humiliation, beneath the terrible human need to be chosen. That is the cruelty of this kind of love. It teaches you to betray yourself voluntarily. I became the shape of absence, empty